And we're learning sizes today. Whoa, small? What do you think the next size is? Bigger? And the colors are orange and green. Let's take a look at our electric drill. That's the biggest. The biggest is the largest size. So let's take a look at the different sizes. Small, bigger, biggest. Cool! What's the next toy tool? Oh, hammers. Our favorite. Small. The colors are red and orange. Bigger. Green and orange. Cool. And our biggest. Whoa! That's got the color gray, orange, and black. Hammers are awesome. Small, bigger, biggest. Toy hammers. Awesome. What's our next tool? Hey, I saw Santa Claus. Oh, these are our metal saw. That's the small. What's the next size up, guys? You know the next size. Bigger. And that saw has the colors blue, red, and orange. And the next size is the biggest. Cool! Man, these are some awesome toy tools from our kids' tool chest. Small, bigger, and the biggest. I wonder what our next tool is. C-clamps. Check that out. That one is small, and the colors are red and gray. Cool. And our next size up is bigger. And that's the colors blue and orange. And then the biggest. That's got the colors black and red. Small. Bigger. Biggest. Cool. We've got, check out our wood saws. Let's do our sizes again. Small. Bigger. Red and orange.